तो आगे जाके और थोड़ा प्लेन हो जाएगा, इसमें चला नहीं होगा, ऐसा ऐसा होगा। 1 किलोमीटर चल सकते हो ले लो, निकालो।
Welcome to Airy Souls. So finally we reached the valley, which is the valley of flowers. So you can actually see the flowers all around you. So this was after a trek of around 4 kilometers from Ghangaria. But once you reach the valley, you can go actually deep inside around 4 more kilometers. So the total distance becomes 8 kilometers and 8 kilometers coming back.
It's beautiful. I made it. I made it.
But as because it was raining cats and dogs and we were all wet, so we decided that we will not go beyond 4 kilometers. Just the start of the actual valley, and then we came back. So the weather condition was really bad, but still that was something very astonishing.